Hey, it's your girl, That's So Sunny, and today I'm coming with you with a video on trying a couple items out of the Dollar Tree. So if anybody else shops at Dollar Tree like me, you know Dollar Tree always coming up with these nice little items that you can eat on, little snack packs if you call them. So the first one we're going to be trying is, I'm going to go with these. We're gonna try the Caramel Panda Hello Me. And I'm looking at these like, I don't know, they bite size. It's supposed to be a cream center with crunchy shell. I have never had these before. It comes with 10 pieces and it says it's 2 servings. So I guess 5 a piece. So I'm gonna try it and then I'm gonna have one of my trusty viewers try it, and then yeah, we'll see what he says, and then that's what I say. So alright, so these are the Hello Panda. This is what they look like, little bite sizes. They have like these little panda things on them. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, there it is. There it is. Look at that camera. Oh, the wall started about to get me. Alright, so alright. That's like a cookie. It tastes like a butterscotch. You know, remember those butterscotch cookies? No, the butterscotch candies. Okay. Wasn't too bad. Next, I'm gonna try.
Hello, y'all. I'm out here with That's So Sunny, one of her reviewers. She actually got this thing going on where she's trying to eat different things that you normally wouldn't try. And I ain't gonna lie. Me, it's a Hello Panda caramel. I mean, it's something I would definitely skip if I went into the store because it don't look like something I would eat at all. So with that being said, I am willing to be open-minded, give it a try. You know, I'm gonna try to go in with no prejudice, even though, yeah, look at it. I mean, come on now. But let's see what they look like and what they taste like. She showed me one already. Let's see. Let's take a fair bite. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna say they nasty at all. It has a high gingerbread or ginger or cinnamon taste to it. More like a teddy bear cracker with a high cinnamon. But it's some, hold on. It's something about the inside of it. Man, I can't even explain it, man. But at the end of the day, it ain't nasty. But I can't explain it. That's what's up.
Yeah.
It definitely recommend it for someone that tastes.
Coke.
They taste. They taste.
Do they remind you of anything?
Yeah, I just don't know the name of it.
So would you recommend them or not?
I would recommend them.
Okay.
Yo. That is good. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Recommend.
It reminds me of caramel, but ice cream style.
Ice cream stuff?
Yeah.
Recommend it?
Yeah, they good. Yeah, I recommend it.
Okay. So the next one is the yogurt and berry biscuit. I don't really like yogurt, but yeah, I'm gonna try these anyway. 120 calories. Come on. 120 calories. So, like I say, I'm gonna try it. See how it tastes. And then we're gonna have to make this sweet try it. It smells good. It smells like peanut butter and jelly. What kind of cookie is this? Whole grain? It tastes just like that. Ooh, it tastes like a Nutri-Grain bar. It tastes like a Nutri-Grain bar. It's my favorite thing I've tried so far. Good. So yeah, definitely good. It's 5 in this box. This is bomb. Oh my god. I like that one. Yummy. That's good. Okay. I got one more thing to try, and then I'm gonna go back for the yogurt cookie. Okay. Let's see. Oh snap! I'm so excited about the yogurt cookie. I forgot to show you guys. So I know a lot of y'all probably didn't have this already. It's Skinny Pop. No artificial ingredients, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, artificial flavors, zero transit fat, a good source of fiber. Everything that I'm trying, I have ulcer problems, so these are supposed to be all good picks. Now, I don't know about this popcorn, but anyway. 39 calories per cup. Just tastes like plain old popcorn. Just tastes like plain old popcorn. But, look, let's see what he thinks.
Man, now we coming out with that Sunbest. It's called yogurt and biscuits. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I hate yogurt. You know, I ain't gonna even get into why. But, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm willing to be open-minded, as I say. They sell it. Boy, that's so sad. You kind of wrong for this one, though. It look good. Y'all see how I'm folding paper? Man, I ain't gonna lie. You really don't taste the yogurt. And then again, you have a little small like aftertaste. Oh man, this thing delicious. I don't know what it is. It's like they make the right mixtures. Let's teach y'all. Man, I ain't gonna lie. It's a fire combination. I recommend that.